welcome back to It's Erin. Today we're back out in Chilliwack at the Sunflower Festival. I can't wait to go here. This is the field they use for the tulips, and they've converted it into a sunflower field. So I can't wait to go and check out the sunflowers. So of course I wanted to come here because sunflowers, selfies, flowers, it's just so great. So I can't wait. I haven't been in a sunflower field in Canada. The only sunflower field I've been in was in Italy. So I'm just so excited. These sunflowers are huge and I can't wait. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It looks beautiful. What a beautiful day to come. It was $15 to get in, but well worth it to come with your family and enjoy. Get some great photos. Such a good idea to use these fields for sunflowers after all of the tulips are gone. It's just so great to see so many sunflowers. It's just great. I just love it here. I just love it. Now we're in the mammoth sunflowers. They're absolutely huge. I've never seen anything like it. Look at this up here. It's just unbelievable. I just love it. I've never been in a sunflower forest. It is so enchanting. This is amazing what they've done here. I just love it. Just love it. Look at this. Wow, you have to come. I hope they do this every year. I've never seen such big sunflowers in my life. Absolutely gorgeous what nature can make, and absolutely beautiful. Of course, everyone is here in their dresses, taking selfies for Instagram, social media. So once again, it's sort of like that where you've got everybody here with their big cameras taking photos, but I've just never seen anything like this before. It's just great. It's just amazing that nature can make such incredible things. Like, these are so big and beautiful. I just love it. It's just unbelievable. So much here. It's so big. I feel like I'm out of a storybook. It's just amazing. Too.
Love it. Love it.
Me too, Ken. Now we're into different varieties of sunflowers, like golden ones and ruby ones. Well, of course I gotta say I loved coming here. It was great to see the sunflowers. It was so enchanting. They're so beautiful. So if you ever have a chance, I definitely recommend coming out to Chilliwack to see the sunflowers. Also, I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while, but I'm just here, there, and everywhere, and I just don't have time to edit all this stuff. And plus my computer's filling up with all these images of everything. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye. So once again, if you love nature, if you love sunflowers, getting outside on a beautiful Sunday, you've got to come and check out the Chilliwack Sunflower Festival. I actually love it more than the Tulip Festival they have every year, because you can actually walk between all of these gorgeous tall sunflowers and get some amazing photos. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you again on It's Erin. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. You won't miss an episode. Bye.